What if I told you that King Solomon, the wisest man who ever lived, might have also been the greatest foodie in ancient history? Picture this. It's 950 BC, and you've just received a golden invitation to dine at Solomon's palace. The aroma hits you first. The scale of Solomon's daily feasts was absolutely mind-boggling. Serving 10 fat oxen, 20 pasture-fed cattle, Solomon's feasts were actually sophisticated diplomatic tools. Every foreign dignitary experienced this culinary theater. Solomon's spice collection reads like a treasure map. Black pepper from India, cinnamon from Salon. The royal bakers alone numbered in the hundreds, each specializing in specific types of breads. Wine wasn't just wine in Solomon's court. The vessels themselves were works of art. Vegetarian options were huge. Dates stuffed with almonds and honey, elaborate grain preparations. Solomon would use meals as opportunities to share proverbs, settle disputes, trying to solve complex legal cases between the soup and fish courses. The kitchen staff itself was like a small army. Head cooks, spice masters, wine stewards. The legacy of Solomon's royal feasts extends far beyond mere historical curiosity, telling a story of wisdom, abundance, and divine favor.